Rams back. So, for today's video, meron tayong isi-celebrate na dalawa. Yay! Ano kaya yon? Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, let's begin. Ito na nga guys. Ang surprise ngayong araw na to is banana from you guys. Thank you for subscribing my channel. At maraming salamat sa pagpatuloy nyo sumuporta. So, ituloy lang natin yan. Tuloy ang laban para sa bayan. At the same time, today is my birthday! So, wala bang pabati dyan? Bati naman kayo dyan! Happy birthday to me! At ito pa guys, kahit malayo ako sa mga pamangkin ko, may pabati sila sa akin. So, panoorin nyo ang bati nila.
Hello! Hello guys! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oh, alam mo na. Birthday mo.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
16th ka pa lang.
Tingnan pa.
16 years old ka pa lang.
Tingnan ka pala.
Kaya maraming birthday pa ang darating sa buhay. Happy birthday sa'yo, Inday Marin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Malin. Happy birthday, Mami Malin.
Kanta yung kanta ni Baby naman. Yung kanta mo ka.
Ay, baby, touch me like this.
Hindi.
I will touch you like this. But it's so easy. I just want to turn back to you. I will see you like this. I will touch you like this. Can you hold me? I just love to admit that it's all coming back to me when I touch you like this. Touch me like this. Can you hold me like that? I just love to admit that it's all coming back to me when I see you like this. I want to see you like this. All the songs that be my song coming back to me.
Great na happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Malin. Happy birthday, Mami Malin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Sobrang nakaka-touch din. Kahit malayo ako sa kanila, talagang naaalala nila ako. I would like to thanks Eman Galvan to deliver this avocado tapioca. Ang sarap-sarap nito guys. Kung gusto nyo magpa-deliver nito around Pasig area, you can contact Senard Sanchez, and also around Mandaluyong area, you can contact Eman Galvan. At dito lang natapos ang Tibok Adlaw. Daghang salamat sa paglantaw! Yay!